Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making an honest baseline. Check grooming, posture, and facial care because small changes change perception quickly. Once done, test reactions in low-stakes settings like a coffee line and note smiles, eye contact, and conversational openings. Make sure to log 2 simple wins daily: compliment accepted, eye contact held, and measure mood shifts. This gives you objective cues versus feelings, so you can separate confidence-building actions from anxious self-judgment and start improving what actually affects attractiveness. Now gather structured social data. Ask 2 or 3 trusted people for candid feedback on approachable traits and what stands out. Once done, test across contexts, work, gym, online, and note consistent patterns like frequent eye contact or repeated comments about your smile. Make sure to prioritize repeated signals over single compliments because consistency reveals baseline attractiveness factors. Keep a simple spreadsheet of behaviors and responses so you can quantify trends and isolate which changes produce reliable improvements in how others respond to you. Finally, refine with deliberate experiments. Choose one variable, style, posture, or tone, and commit for 4 to 6 weeks while tracking reactions. Once you implement a change, compare before and after notes and make sure to tweak only one thing at a time so causation is clearer. If outcomes stall, troubleshoot by switching environments or asking a coach for perspective. Controlled experiments or professional feedback reveal blind spots. This completes the cycle. Baseline, gather data, refine, and repeat until you reliably know what makes you attractive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.